99% of the time, social media is used to distract you. But that's really because 99% of people don't know how to actually use it. Like me, you're probably one of them. So how can we use social media to be like the top 1%? Social media is an outlet for ideas and creativity, but most people invest so much time into these apps, posting and some actually creating some decent content, but having little to no returns on it. But the secret the top 1% know about social media is that it's a tool. It's a tool for getting ahead in life, and a tool for actually supporting their dream life. They use it as a tool to market their products and win money. Well, why is money so important? Well, to sum up, most Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, is probably not living a very fulfilling life, and has goals, but maybe will only achieve one of them by the time they're 50. So yeah, making money is kind of important because it will open doors and opportunities for you to actually accomplish your goals in a more reasonable amount of time. It will allow you more options to get from point A to B. Instead of going the 9-to-5 route, working for 30 years of your life to maybe retire by your 60, why don't you try to succeed in life now? So, how the 1% actually uses social media is just the first step in their sales tactic. When they post on social media, that is their way of giving you free value, a little snippet or sample size, at little to no expense on your end of their overall product. Keep in mind, a product is just one thing that can solve another problem. It could be a service, it could be an online course, some sort of advertising agency, or even a bakery. Every business solves a problem, and it's a service that you end up paying for in the end. And as they build more and more trust with you, that's where things like brand deals or sponsorships with your trusted influencer comes into play, where they offer you discounts or some sort of sale or something even for free. From commission or affiliate, they make a small portion of that sale. But that's only just a snippet of it. Remember what a product is? It's the final boss after receiving your free snippets or samples. The real way creators are making money using social media is when they start to create and sell their own products, where they can profit even more by providing you more value. The point of social media is to build trust. It's to build a loyal audience. For example, like when your favorite creator comes out with a new book, you're so excited for all the value that book can provide to you. And like any loyal audience member, you buy it. Now, I don't say any of this to make creators or influencers look bad or to make them sound like some evil sales marketer. But being a creator and influencer is an alternate lifestyle from just working any old regular 9-to-5 job. We've all heard to get out of the rat race and become an entrepreneur. Well, let me open a door of opportunity for your mind. Becoming an entrepreneur is possible, and it's more easily obtainable than ever before. We all have phones. We all have free access to social media. You will have to put a lot of work into building your content, building your audience, but the best part of this is that the only investment you need to make is your time. Time for market research, time for creating and posting your ideas and content. And like I said, you don't even need to have that much money, which most people don't even have, to be starting these other physical businesses with physical products or storefronts. Find something you're interested in and start creating content around it. Bring value to other people's lives while being able to support yours. You can have a career in something that you enjoy. And with enough effort, you can make just enough money to live a comfortable life, which most people don't even need that much money to live a comfortable life. And maybe you already have some sort of small business and are looking for more ways of gaining clients. You can use social media as a free leverage of advertisement while still giving value to potential clients before they even purchase anything. Social media is a great way for building a loyal audience for your business. And this is the secret of the top 1%, which mostly consists of entrepreneurs these days. So take advantage of this time. And here's the thing, if you don't think you have enough time to invest in this creative venture, you can watch this video here where I 100% guarantee that you will find the time to start your new life. Bye!